짜잔.
치킨.
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 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Welcome to part 3 of our chicken series, which means we have here with us Chicken Detective Kim입니다.
Okay. 안녕하세요. 김미영입니다.
네.
자, today's chicken story number 3.
Number 3. Number 3 of probably many more down the line.
What are you gonna talk about today?
Chicken.
Chicken. I'm gonna talk about something very special about movie, something to do with what?
Chicken.
That's right. It's called 극한 직업.
극한 직업.
That's right. 극하다 means extreme.
Extreme.
Okay. 직업 is what?
Job.
That's right. 극한 직업.
Extreme job.
그렇죠.
You sure this is still a chicken episode?
That's right.
Okay.
This is something to do about chicken very seriously.
Okay.
It's very, very funny and very, very fun. Both.
Okay.
And then this is a G-rated, I believe. So you can watch your friends, your 남친, which is 남자친구, boyfriend, or 여자친구, or 가족, which is family, or your children.
극한 직업 영화입니다.
That's right. Do you want to know the story?
I would. Yeah, I want to know how.
Just a little bit.
I want to know how Extreme Jobs is a chicken movie.
So I'm gonna say it's something little, like cops, which is a police, and then chicken. We're talking about fried chicken. That's what I'm gonna talk about.
Very descriptive. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to go watch this movie as homework.
That's right.
Okay.
So 극한 직업.
극한 직업.
That's right. And then there's a very famous actor in Korea, 유승용. 유승용. That's right. Okay. He is in the movie, and then he is the captain of the police team. Very funny. You watch it, and we'll see how you feel. You can laugh a lot. Ha 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 ha.
Okay. Let's do it. Report back if you watch the movie.
That's right. Okay. And then also he has another drama coming out, something to do with chicken. So people call him chicken actor.
So he was in a movie about chicken, and now he's in a K-drama. Yeah, that sounds like a chicken actor to me.
Yeah.
So, but he has found his niche. His niche? He has found his place in life. Chicken actor.
I saw chicken.
Chicken 배우.
So when you go Korea, we have a very famous app, which is delivery app, 배달의 민족.
배달의 민족.
That's right. 배달 means delivery. 민족 is people.
Yeah.
그렇죠? And so also it has another meaning. When you read the Korean history book, we call ourselves what? 배달의 민족.
배달의 민족.
That means here 배달 means light, and then there's also 민족 means people. So it means we are the kind of people of light or descendant of light.
That's beautiful.
That's right. It's very same phrase though.
Okay,
but when you read the 배달의 민족 in the history, means we're the descendant, we're the people of light. Okay, but now the app says 배달의 민족 is what? The people of delivery. That's right.
So either this beautiful metaphor of the 한국 사람, Korean people being descendants of light itself, or food delivery service.
That's right. Since it's the same name, same phrase, it's so funny. When I watched it, I could not believe how creative the app, the person who made. So the CEO, which is the founder of the app, read a lot of books. Very, very creative man. And then when you watch his company, which is 배달의 민족, is drama. They made almost drama like that commercial. It's just so popular.
미영 선생님 has shown me a couple of these commercials, and I'm gonna see if I can link some of them in the description, because they are, even you don't need to speak Korean to see how funny they are.
Yeah, okay. And then so I want you guys to watch 극한 직업. 네. Now it's I think free. There's a free version because several years ago, and even it's not like free. There's like a 15-minute, 20-minute kind of clip out there you can watch. I want you guys to watch that. And
Yeah,
then
watch
let me
it.
know how you feel. Very funny. Really.
Yeah.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
And
yeah.
then and listen for chicken words
Yeah,
that you learned
that's
here.
right. Good. That's right.
네.
Fried or fried
Fried
or
Fried.
means fried chicken.
fried chicken.
Good job.
네.
잘했어요. Good job.
감사합니다.
Very successful about our chicken history.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
중요해요.
Mhm.
너무 중요해요.
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 Important 하죠?
너무 중요해요.
Okay. Good job. So, wanna do here? Up to you. Good job. Okay.
Thanks for hanging out and talking about chicken with us.
Good. Fighting. Chicken.
Fighting. Chicken
Fighting.
fighting. Oh, fighting
Good.
chickens. Gosh.
Yeah.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
짜잔.
고기요.